guys, today I'm going to make my breakfast. So first we'll cut this sandwich into a square. This bread into a square like this, then like this, and like this. But you have to be very careful while cutting this. These are two pieces. They look like a photo frame, and these are square pieces. Mother has cut these vegetables for me. This is capsicum, this is corn, and this is carrot. And now I'm going to crack the eggs. So it's a little difficult for me because I spill it everywhere. Okay, now carefully. Yeah. Now the other egg, like this. Yay! It did not spill. Put little salt or a pinch of salt and some pepper. Like that. And the vegetables. Spilling a bit. I'm not terrible. Mix it like this. On the pan, put the 1 cube of butter. I put in garlic butter, but you can put any butter you like. And spread it like this. And wait for it to melt. Now we'll put this bread like the bread photo frame like this. Now what's a photo frame without a photo? So I'm going to put this mixture inside the bread like this and let it cook. If you don't want to show your photo frame, then you just cover it, but on the back side it will show. But don't do this. Do it with a spatula because it can be hot and can burn your hand very badly. And it'll hurt you so much. It might be a major burn. After 2 minutes, flip it, and it is the hardest part for me. Yeah. You remove the excess part if you want, so that you can see your photo frame. But if you don't want to and you just want to eat, then don't do it, because probably you're very hungry by now and you want to eat so bad that you're like, just ditch it and just let me eat, I want to eat, I'm hungry. Okay, I think it's done. I'm going to put it on the plate and I'll make another one and I'll tell you how it is later.
To start the day, yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to taste it.
Just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our sometimes.
It's okay.
I wait for just an hour more. Whoa.